Hello everyone, welcome to Admitat Academy. My name is Ekaterina Vasina. I'm Content Marketing Manager at the Academy. And today we are going to discuss how we can earn with Admitat. We will review the whole process starting from how to join an affiliate program, then we will check how we can generate an affiliate link, and in the end we will create a post with an affiliate link. Okay, so let's start. So how can we earn with Admitat? To describe the whole process shortly, first of all, you need to open the website admitat.com. Here you can choose the advertiser whose products you want to promote. Advertiser can be almost any company presented on the internet, for example, Booking.com or iHerb. So when you have chosen the advertiser you want to promote, you need to generate the affiliate link. Then you can copy this affiliate link and share it with your subscribers or with your friends. And if your subscribers like these products and they want to buy it, they buy it through your affiliate link and you receive the reward. The reward is usually some fixed amount or a percentage of the order amount. Okay, so let's check how it works. First of all, we need to choose the ad space where we will promote the product. In our case, we have chosen our Facebook page as an ad space. Of course, it's not a real Facebook page. We don't have any real subscribers here. We just use it for our video recordings and for the webinars. But we can assume that our potential audience here is people who are interested in gadgets at discounts, or people who are planning to buy some gadget and they're looking for some nice deals. So that's where we are going to promote the products. Now we are going back to the admitat.com website. Now we need to log in. We have our account on this website, but if you haven't registered in Admitat, you can check our previous video and register. So we insert our login, then we type in our password. Okay. And now we're on the main page of our dashboard. Here we need to open the tab All Programs. And now we're going to choose the advertiser which will be relevant to our audience. Let's use these filters. We're not going to use the search filter because we don't have any exact advertiser in our mind, but we're going to use sales region. Let it be United States. We can choose the action type. I believe it will be sale. Then we need to put tick here. It's really important for beginners because this parameter will mean that you will be automatically joined to the affiliate program. So next one is choose an advertiser category. Okay, as we have the Facebook page about gadgets at discounts, we need to choose household appliances and electronics. And the next one, let's choose the traffic source. We have a page on social media. Let's choose social media. It means that our advertiser will allow this traffic source. Okay, so now on the right we can see all advertisers who correspond to all chosen parameters. Let's choose one random advertiser. For example, let's go to the next page. And let's choose GearBest. Okay, let's press. And let's check the program rules. First of all, let's check what we will get paid for. There are many options and the reward will depend on the product which we will promote. For example, if we choose a smartphone or a tablet to promote, we will receive 5% of the order amount if we attract a new client. But if we attract a purchase from the existing client, we will receive not 5% but 3%. Okay, that's good. So let's join. Now we need to choose the ad space which we are going to use to attract traffic. Yep, it's gadget sale. The next one is we need to choose, we need to read terms of the affiliate program. Okay, we have read them. It's better to pay attention and to read all the program terms and conditions because it's really important. Now we need to put the tick here because we have read terms and conditions. If you haven't read them, it's better to do it. And the last thing here, we need to describe how we will promote the products. So I will publish promotional posts with affiliate links to the products on my Facebook page. And now we can join. Perfect, our application was successfully filed. And now we automatically proceed to the page with advertising materials. Here we can see the affiliate link which we can copy and share with our subscribers, with our friends. And if our friends use it to buy some products, you get the reward. Okay, but we recommend you to use the tool Deep Link. This is a very useful tool. It will help you to drive your subscribers, to drive traffic directly to the page of the product. For example, if you promote some smartphone, it's obviously better to drive traffic directly to the page of the smartphone, not to the main page of the advertiser's website. So let's find some product which we are going to promote. As we have a group about gadget sale, let's find some super deals. Let's click on it. Then let's choose electronics and check what we have here. There are actually many products, so let's choose some of them. There are many interesting products. Okay. For example, Xiaomi Amazfit. It's a nice discount, 47% off. Also, it looks like this watch is great. And so let's promote it. First of all, we need to find some advantages which this watch has. As I can see, it's smartwatch and also it's a fitness tracker. It has an access to the internet. That's perfect. It's waterproof. It has various sport modes and so on. So, okay, perfect. We can start promoting it. First of all, we need to copy the name of this product and paste it in our future post. Probably we can delete some stuff so that it's not going to be so long. Then we need to add some information. Of course, we should mention that it's 47% off, then that it's smartwatch. Okay, we can see it in the name. Then we can say that it's waterproof. Perfect. Fitness tracker. Okay, that's it. Now we need to create and generate the affiliate link to this product. We go back to the page of the smartwatch. We copy the link here. And now we're going to create the deep link. First of all, we can use SubID to track from where we drive the traffic. Here we indicate Facebook. Here you can also write any parameters which you want. For example, you can write here color or the size of some product or whatever you want to track. Then we need to paste the target page, and now we can see and use the affiliate link, the deep link, which will drive traffic directly to the page of the smartwatch. But we also recommend to use one more tool. It's ShortLink. This affiliate link, it works without this tool, but it's just this link looks a little bit better. So we're going to copy it, and now we're going to paste it in our post. Let's wait for a second till Facebook show us the picture. Yep, now we can see the image of our product, and I believe that we're ready to publish our post. Let's press on publish now, publish as regular post. And we're waiting. It's being uploaded. Perfect, so we have promoted our watch and this is our affiliate link. We can click on this affiliate link a couple of times to check first of all that it works. And second of all, let's click several more times to check later how the clicks are reflected in the statistics of Admittad. Okay, and one more time. I believe that it's enough. Let's close all the tabs. And now we're going back to Admittad website. Now we need to open the tab Reports. And here we should choose all the necessary filters to check how it works. Okay, so add space, it's gadget sale, apply, then it's programs. We need to choose GearBest, apply, and the date is shown automatically. Press on show. Well, as we can see, it's just only one click yet, but later it will, the statistics will show all the clicks. Sometimes it just takes a little bit more time. We can reload the page just. Okay. Later the statistics will reflect all the rest of clicks, and that's how it is. So here you will also later will see the payments. First of all, the earnings will get in the status on hold. Then after the advertiser verify the orders, advertisers usually need time to verify that the user has actually made the purchase. If the user has actually made it and paid for the order, the earnings will get to confirmed. But if the user hasn't made the purchase or returned the products, the earnings will get to declined. That's all for now. We have reviewed the whole process of how we can earn with Admittad, but it's also necessary to mention that social media is not the only ad space which publishers use to drive traffic to earn. For example, some publishers, they create YouTube channel with product descriptions, with product reviews, where they post affiliate links and they earn through that channel. Other publishers create, for example, websites like cashback services or price comparison services, but such types of ad spaces require investments. And the last but not the least, we would like to share some recommendations with you. First of all, you always need to rely on your audience. If you promote some products which are not relevant for your audience, you just promote them to get money, unfortunately you will likely to fail, because you need to promote only products which are interesting for your audience. And the next advice is always read the program rules, because if you even unintentionally violate a rule of the program of the advertiser, you will just simply get disconnected. So it's better to read all the program rules and to comply with them, comply with all terms and conditions, and you will get the money. So that's all for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget that you can always contact our support team and ask them any questions. Our support team will answer you and will help you. You can also ask your questions and leave the comments below this video. If you have any questions, we will reply you. If you want just to leave the comment, thank you, we'll be glad. And don't forget to like our video, to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.